Making money from home is no longer just a dream. In this digital age, it's easier than ever to make money online. With a little hard work, dedication, and a stable internet connection, you can make extra money from the comfort of your own home. With that in mind, here are 10 suggestions on how you can make money online and begin your journey towards financial freedom. But before you learn about 10 ways to make money online, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you will be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. Number 10. Become an online tutor. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly popular as an online side hustle. It is a great way to make money online. Tutors can make up to $30 an hour, work anytime and anywhere, and choose the type of class they want to teach. You can take a class in the comfort of your own home or office. The best part about tutoring online is that you set your schedule, and no matter where you are in the world, your students will be able to log on and reach you. Having a teaching degree is a plus, but even if you don't, you can add a certificate to showcase your teaching skills. The most in-demand subjects are computer programming, personal finance, and photography. If you're not an expert in these, here is some great advice for you. Teach English to an international audience. This task is so simple and so much in demand. You can find tutoring jobs on websites like tutor.com, VIPKid, Teachers on Call, and TutorMe. If you have some experience in a field and have the patience to tutor online, give one of these a try. Number 9. Start dropshipping. Dropshipping is a viable pathway to making money online. Dropshipping is when you sell products without keeping them in stock. Instead, you buy items from a supplier and have them shipped directly to your customer. It allows you to offload the responsibility of warehousing, shipping, and customer service to the retailer. This means you don't have to invest in any physical inventory, which can be costly. You also don't have to worry about payment processing issues or marketplaces like Amazon banning your account for breaking their policies. You just need to be aware of some guidelines and considerations. Dropshipping can be a passive income opportunity for some people, as it doesn't require you to have an eye for fashion or know how to navigate Amazon's e-commerce marketplace. The retailers you partner with will sort that out for you, so all you have to do is let them know what brands, sizes, and colors you want to carry. With Shopify and other online e-commerce platforms, you can get started with dropshipping quickly. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular side hustle that can be done online to generate residual income. This means you don't have to actively advertise your business to earn money, it happens passively. Affiliate marketing is commonly referred to as referring customers to other people's products and getting a percentage of the sale. You promote other people's products and earn a commission from the sales. You can advertise products from Amazon, Etsy, or eBay, among others. Affiliate marketing has many benefits, including the ability to make money online without having to invest any money. It is also a great way to learn about new products and brands and build your network of connections. By joining an affiliate marketing program, you can also earn residual income by referring new customers to the program who then qualify to purchase products or services. The only downside is that you don't usually earn money instantaneously. You have to wait for the sale to go through. For a successful affiliate marketer, it's important to have a good understanding of the product and how this can help the customer. If you're not very savvy in these areas, it can be difficult to get sales. Number 7. Do translation work. If you have any experience with languages, you can translate documents online. Every day, people need more and more content to be translated. Businesses in many different industries can benefit from an extra pair of eyes on their content. Whether it's translating a marketing campaign, managing regional social media, or just helping out with the occasional email, there are plenty of opportunities for translators to make money online. While it doesn't pay quite as much as some of the other side hustles on this list, it's great for beginners to get their feet wet. All you need to do is sign up with a translation company and apply to work on translation projects. You'll then be matched with a client who needs your help. Translation companies are always looking for new translators, especially for smaller projects that take less than an hour or two. This is also a great way to build your portfolio and gain experience and skills in the industry. Translation can be done remotely through websites like Fiverr, Upwork, 1 Hour Translation, and Translators Cafe. Number 6. Start a YouTube channel. You probably know YouTube as the world's leading video sharing site. Millions of people around the world upload videos to YouTube every day. It's the second most popular search engine in the world and the second most visited website. Well, it's also one of the best places to build a loyal following and profit from the content you create. With YouTube partners, you can earn money from ads and also receive a portion of the revenue from channel members' paid subscriptions. The great thing about starting a YouTube channel is that you'll never be without content because most videos take less than 20 minutes to film. You just need to pick up a niche and start creating videos to upload. And don't worry, on YouTube, you can build up a large following very quickly. YouTube allows you to reach a huge audience that may be interested in what you have to offer. Once you have built up a large following, you can start monetizing your channel by selling advertising space or by offering subscriptions. You can also make money through YouTube by creating videos that other people want to watch. This can be done in several ways: by commenting on other people's videos, by making original content, or by recommending different videos to your audience. A quick reminder, if you've enjoyed the video so far, consider subscribing, as we frequently upload such informative and educational videos. Let's continue. Number 5. Become a virtual assistant. If you're a go-getter and enjoy variety in your work, you can become a virtual assistant and earn money online. Since 2009 is the year of the gig economy, this job is getting more and more popular every day. As a virtual assistant, you'll work remotely for a company or individual in a variety of different capacities, including customer service, organizing and scheduling, research, and administrative tasks. This position is perfect for people who are self-motivated and organized. If you have a tech background or just an outgoing personality, this task will feel like a dream come true. You just need to be comfortable using a computer, typing, and communicating via email. No matter in whatever field you have experience, you can easily find a virtual assistant job in a company that matches your skills because almost every company hires virtual assistants. And the great thing is that you can set your schedule and work whenever you want. Number 4. Review apps and websites. Apps and websites will often pay people to review them. You review them on your blog or their website. You can also make money online by being a taster of new products on a website. You will not even have to buy the products for testing. Companies send you free products themselves to review. All you have to do is write honest reviews with your opinion, and you'll be rewarded with freebies every month. This is a great way to make some extra cash while also being helpful to others. Another great thing about being an online tester is that you need no skill or experience. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Some apps that are known to pay for reviews are Apple Store, Google Play, and Amazon. Number 3. Become a writer. If you have a knack for writing and can write quickly, you can earn extra money and build your portfolio by writing articles. Being a writer, you can start a blog, do freelance writing, and more. Writing job offers you the opportunity to work from anywhere, make your schedule, and set your hours. There are many platforms where writers can find work and make money writing. You can find writing jobs from places like the Demand Studios platform, which is where an article writer can find work for jobs like blog posts or guest articles. Writers will be paid according to their experience and the quality of the published articles. Writing gigs are also available at websites like Upwork, Guru, and Zirtual. Writers who want to see their words published can also find jobs with publications like Forbes and Business Insider. Websites like Helium, TextBroker, and Prolific also allow you to earn money by offering your writing services across their network. Number 2. Create an online course. As more and more people are realizing the benefits of outsourcing, there has been a rise in the number of freelancers and entrepreneurs looking to make money online. While there are many different ways to do this, one of the most common is through selling online courses. The demand for online courses is increasing due to the greater need for skilled workers in a variety of fields. If you have some experience in a field that others want to learn, you can make an online course to help them out and earn cash while doing so. Sites like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare make it easy for you to create your course and promote it to other users. Number 1. Become an influencer. Influencers are people that have a following on social media, a blog, or any other form of an online presence. They use their following to promote certain brands and products in exchange for money. Becoming an influencer is a great way to make money online because it is easy to get started and the payouts are quite high. Many big brands will pay people with large followings to promote their products through social media posts and photos. You can make even more money by charging a fee to meet with fans and sign autographs when you're at events. To become an influencer, you need to create a social media following. This can be done by posting content that is related to your niche or by gaining followers on social platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Even though this task takes time, it is worth the effort. Moreover, you don't need 1 million followers to become an influencer. A small following is enough, and you can always increase your social media presence. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.